Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a tour of the St. Jago Health Center. Now the St. Jago Health Center is located in Spanish Town. It's actually located next door to the Spanish Town Hospital. And as you can see, a lot of construction is taking place here. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the construction and the St. Jago Health Center. The St. Jago Park Comprehensive Health Center, located in the heart of Spanish Town, St. Catherine, has long been a vital component of Jamaica's primary healthcare network. Serving over 6,600 patients each month, it provides essential medical services to thousands in one of the island's fastest growing and densely populated regions. As Jamaica continues to modernize its healthcare system, the redevelopment of this facility stands as a critical investment, not only in infrastructure but in the health and well-being of communities across the parish. In November 2024, the government of Jamaica broke ground on a significant expansion and renovation of the St. Jago Park Health Center as part of its broader health system strengthening program. This initiative, supported by the European Union, the Inter-American Development Bank, and the government of Jamaica, is aimed at modernizing the nation's healthcare infrastructure and improving access to quality services. The total cost of the St. Jago project is estimated at Jamaican $704 million or US $4.5 million. And the development is being led by the China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation, CCECC. The project involves two major components: the construction of a new 634 square meter wing and the comprehensive renovation of the existing 1,300 square meter facility. Together, these changes will transform St. Jago from a traditional outpatient clinic into a comprehensive health center offering expanded services in dentistry, mental health, diabetic screening, laboratory diagnosis, and chronic disease management. These services are crucial given the increasing prevalence of non-communicable diseases such as diabetes and hypertension in Jamaica. Progress on the construction has been steady. As of mid-2025, the foundation for the new wing has been completed and the interior works are underway. Once the new building is operational, services will temporarily migrate there to allow renovations of the old structure to proceed without disrupting patient care. The project is expected to be fully completed by the end of 2026, with the new wing coming into use by mid-year. In conclusion, the redevelopment of the St. Jago Park Health Center reflects a deep and forward-thinking investment in Jamaica's health future. More than bricks and mortar, it symbolizes a commitment to healthier communities, better service delivery, and a more resilient public health system. As it nears completion, the upgraded facility will not only expand access to vital health services in Spanish Town, but also serve as a model for community-based healthcare transformation across the island. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. And straight ahead, that is the foundation that they were talking about. That's where the new building is going to be, and as you can see, the foundation is finished. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.